our class, and then after that whenever I see her anywhere, so she comes to me and hug me whenever, wherever, even if like we meet like 3 times a day, she always used to come to me, ask me how I am and hugs me. Hey people, welcome back to the channel. So there is another video of talking to me segment where you people ask me question regarding me or regarding an Indian who is living inside Korea. So today I got a question from one guy who asked me in which aspects do I think that South Korea is different from any other country, and what are the different things that I like about South Korea, and am I planning to stay in Korea for my further studies or not. So this is a pretty big question and I will try to reply in this video. So before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, go and watch all of my videos and let me know if you like it. And in addition to that, you can comment whatever you want to ask me regarding me or regarding an Indian who is living inside Korea. So you can go and comment in the comment section and let me know. If I find anything relatable like this, I will try to make a video and try to answer your question. So yeah, and in addition to that, please subscribe the channel and keep supporting. First thing I'm gonna talk about South Korea is the safety. So I found South Korea is the safest country, and like you don't need to worry about the timing before going out of your houses, and whether you're a boy or a girl. I saw so many people going out there like because they have nightlife here. Why they have nightlife? Because their country is safe. So I saw so many people going for clubs or hanging out in the nights and coming back like almost 3 or 4 a.m. in the morning back. And if even I talk about myself, me too, sometimes I come back like 3 or 4 in the morning, not from the clubs but from the lab. So it's because the country is safe. Like the boys and girls have the equality, and in addition to that, they feel secure when they are on the roads. Whether it's 2 or 3 a.m. in the morning, they don't need to worry about their personal safety. I'm not saying their rules and regulations or the laws are strict. It can be strict, but the other thing is people also put efforts to to make female feel secure on the road. In my thinking, why anyone need to think about the security? That's how every country should be. That's how every individual should feel, and put into their mind that there should not be any issue about the safety or security. Anyone can go anywhere whenever they want. We should make our nation like this. Other thing I'm gonna talk about here is the cleanliness. So this is the biggest difference between a developed country and a developing country. Not because I'm not saying the developing country cannot be clean as compared to the developed country. I'm just saying that if you put efforts, and same thing like safety, so you have to put effort to make your country clean. They have these 3 or 4 types of different dust bins, trash bins, where they separate the garbage, and on the basis of what they recycle the things. So that's how they manage, and that's how they take care of the cleanliness, and that's the best thing about South Korea, I feel. The third thing I'm going to talk about the human values. So here in this section I will talk about some random things that I experienced when I came to South Korea, like the first time. So it was the first day when I went to the 24-hour store, that is convenience store, and there was a guy. So I bought something and I gave him the money, and this is how he received the money from my hands, and said thank you. And when I was leaving the door, saying that go safe, this is 안녕히 가세요, like this in Korean. So that's how they greet the people. So when you enter, they say 안녕하세요. When you go, they say 안녕히 가세요, like this. So that's how they treat, and I think this is the best thing anyone can find in South Korea. So they respect humans. They don't care about from where you are, from which country you belong, or like whether you are fair or dark skin, or they don't differentiate people on the basis of anything. If you are human, you will get the respect here in South Korea. I think that's the best thing about South Korea. The other thing I'm gonna talk about is the one incident that when me and my Indian professor, so there is an Indian professor who lives next to my house, and he has one kid, so of 4 or 5 years, I feel. So we were there in a market, and there were some people who were smoking, 4 or 5 young boys who were smoking. So when they saw that we are with the kid, so they changed their place. They moved to some other place. So that day I realized that it's not a country or a government that makes the country good. It's the people who have to put efforts. So they know how harmful that cigarette can be for the kids, so they moved the place. They went somewhere else. So I think that is the best thing I found about South Korea. The another thing I'm gonna talk about is so I'm talking about the human values. So here I'm gonna talk about another example that I realized when I was in the language course. So the thing was, in the first 2 months I was pretty excited about South Korea. I got the scholarship, yay, everything will be nice now, and I will continue my studies here in South Korea, and I had so many plans that I will do my PhD also here, I will do job also, and everything. Like I had all those dreams, but soon I realized that the language is not my cup of tea, and it is not that easy as expected. So yeah, after 2 months I started feeling depressed, and like for the first 2 months I was quite happy in the class. Like teachers could see on my face that I'm excited, but after 2 months the excitement gone. And then I feel that like for 1 week or 2 weeks my teacher, I don't know how, but she realized how I was feeling that time. So and then she called me on my phone and asked me to come to her office, and then she asked me what is the problem, and then I shared my problem with her. Like, this is the problem I'm facing, this language hard, and I don't know if I can make it or not. Like that time I was even not sure about the topic 3. Government only asked topic 3, and I was not sure if I can make it or not, because that was pretty hard for me. And I'm not and that was not only for me, whosoever was beginner, it was hard. So if you didn't see that video, you can go here, so you can watch that video here where I explain about my 1 year of language course. Okay, so she asked me about that, and I told her everything. But you know what she said? She said, I believe in you, you don't need to worry about. I saw you will get topic 5 or 6. I saw it already, she said. She said, I saw it in you. You will get topic 5 or topic 6 at the end of this year. And she promised me that. I don't know how, but she promised me. That time I thought she is just saying it because just to motivate me, but that was not the point. Yes, of course she motivated me that time, but I got topic 5 at the end of the year. And after that, whenever she saw me where I am, so it was like there were 4 to 5 teachers who were taking our classes the whole day from 9 to 3 or 4 p.m. So there are 4 to 5 teachers, and like she has first 2 classes with me, with our class, and then after that, whenever I see her anywhere, so she comes to me and hug me whenever, wherever, even if like we meet like 3 times a day, she always used to come to me, ask me how I am, and hugs me. I don't know why, but that gives me a lot of self-confidence and encouraged me a lot for the language course. And see, I got topic 5. I'm showing off now. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna talk about is the K-pop and K-dramas. Although I'm not into the K-pop, like I don't listen that much, but still there are some of my favorite songs that I used to listen in the in the language course. And yes, of course I watch K-drama, Korean drama, and I will recommend you 2 of my favorite dramas that I've watched recently. So one was Kingdom, the other is Extracurricular Class, that Ingan Suop. So if you guys watched it, then please comment and let me know if you like it or not. And if you want to recommend any of Korean drama that I should watch, please give your recommendation in the comment section. And yeah, that's all for today's video. If you like the video, please like the video, share the video, and comment on it. So many people are asking me when I'm gonna start making the videos about the undergraduate KGSP people. So the big announcement, I'm making it now. So I'm gonna make videos soon, and hopefully from next week. I'm not sure. I'm not saying it. I didn't decide it yet. But yeah, I'm expecting to start from next week. So you guys can also expect from next week. So yeah. Okay. So that's the announcement I wanted to make. So if you like the video, please like it. Let me know what are the different things you want to know about me or about an Indian who is living inside Korea. So share my video, press the bell icon, subscribe the channel, and keep supporting.